While I eat, they tends to invade on my right eye, right ear, and then telling of such as not to do, of dating of me and Alex ko, and the use of black magic. There is Robert Gonzalez Magnaye on my right ear. And then suddenly it turns to Margie Talanya over in they is killing me. I wish they be dead. No, I wish I wish talaga karma. Put it on high intensity. They tends to tell a body movement on the use of black magic. Those person that is on my mind that telling about that is the Bobo Como flat short height. Please naman no help because that person is killer. Even though saying that person is slash head, I not know when it is will happen. But and then I wish talaga it happens. Lover ko Alex ko. But person be dead. They not they is bad person. I have my own life. Diyos ko. Napakaubod ng bastos nila sa sarili ko. Ikaw gusto pala mukha mo, Alex lover ko. Alex ng lover ko! Ang pangit mo! Ah, kabit! They is kabit! Harassment is my father. Iyo. Harassment day is. Oh, please help me naman, oh. Yung buhay ko yung binabastol. They is killing me and they rants about panaginip. Residents at condominium. 'When it comes on dating, it is not pertains on money of who is the person that has money. The right eye is talking about negativity. And then what it is on myself is putting heart pain illness only. The negativity says, the negativity of the right eye says, uh, if you want a date, then have money. Weird nila, they is criminal. Yeah, they is not part of my life. Jose Manalo is kadiri. Ako lover ni Alex. Married kami since high school. Mamatay! Kayo!
Kurian, ang aga-aga. Ipukpuk kita, punyeta ka. Visit ka. Visit ka nila na talaga.
Oh.
Ikaw talagang. Yan talaga, ipapaano ko na kay Papa mo yung cellphone mo na yan, ha? Kasi diyan ka nag
Am I being understood of how they is killer?
Paano ko kay Papa mo yan talaga na? Para yun diyan ka na.
Am I being understood? That is, Robert Gonzalez Magnaya is killer. That is an instance of how they kills me. Am I being understood? Oh, Diyos ko. And yet, when there is casket on their life, they runs. That is why I not want Danica. On my life, I am the first. On the life of Alex ko, I am the first. On my life, Alex Jr. ko is the first. Not anyone else nakakadiri. Today is bad person, Alex. They is killing me. A bad person, they is Alex. Criminal! I will file a harassment to my father. Kabit should be dead. My love life feeling. They is killing, they is putting heart pain illness. My love life to Alex ko is healthy. How does it to file a case, to file an harassment towards father? Married kami ni Alex ko. They is not the person about me. I just don't naman, oh. Bakit niyo sa buhay? I wish talaga karmahin buhay nila. I am love life of Alex ko.